Okay, two Lamborghinis right here, and one will appoint me and the other will disappoint me. Stay tuned till the end to find out which is which. And right now we have these two cars. This is the Lamborghini Huracan LP6202 Super Trofeo, and this one is the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. So the Lambo fans might be familiar with the name. What does the name Sesto Elemento? And if you're not familiar, stay till the end. I'll let you know. Yeah, we are here. You are here. Nobody's going anywhere. So let's open this up with the new blade. Yeah, I will flaunt the new blade for some days, man. Don't get me wrong. So this one is the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo 6202 Super Trofeo, and I've got the card again. Okay. So this was designed, I think both are designed by the same person, Li Wei Chang. Okay. So yeah. Wow, right off the bat, this is a very cool color. I was not expecting this to be such a good looking color. Wow, front details, it has pretty good details on the front, right? Okay, headlight details, we have the hood, we have the hood scoops, we have the top side, we have the Lamborghini badging with Hotwheels and number 6 badging right here. We have the we have some what do you say, design elements on the spoiler as well. This is the metal spoiler, and in the rear we have the tail lamp details, the diffuser details. Right on the other side we have the same thing. This uses two different wheels. This is the aero disc wheels, as we have seen in the Bugatti Bolide, and this is the 10-spoke wheels, right? The base is nothing to write home about. It's simple, plain, blah. Let's roll this. Okay, it rolls nice. Let's give it a roll let's give it another roll. Day by day, I'm losing the ability to speak English. Okay, so the Lamborghini Huracan LP622 Super Trofeo. Okay, sorry, I fell asleep just reading the name. Oh, it also has this one. What do you call these? Rear view mirrors. Awesome, right? You don't have the engine details right here. Let me just zoom in. They could have given some details here. Some details. So yeah, this was the Grand Touring race car developed by Lamborghini Squadra course for use in the Lamborghini Super Trofeo, Lamborghini's one make racing series. Okay, that's the name of the series. It's Super Trofeo. Unveiled in 2014 at the Quail at Pebble Beach, the Huracan Super Trofeo is powered by, wait for it, 5.2 liter CSJ V10, making a amazing 612 horsepower. It replaces the Gallardo Super Trofeo, which had been used since the series' inception in 2009. Wow, that's long haul for Gallardo. Yeah. So since then, this has been used in the Super Trofeo series. We have seen the successor of this car in the 2019 as the Evo, and in 2022 as the Evo 2. And this casting replicates the original Lamborghini Huracan LP620 Super Trofeo, such a big name, as introduced in the 2014, and it was used until the 2019. Also, this made its series debut in Night Burners in the year 2016. So yeah, this is cleared now. Next one we have, okay, we have done view. Okay, so this is the white car, and Sesto Elemento, the base looks fine. They'll at least have some chassis details. It says made in Malaysia, it says Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Okay, what? Am I seeing this right? This has the normal wheels, that Hot Wheels favorite wheels, I guess. Yeah, These are the BPR5 wheels, and dude, this is not good, man. Like, headlight details are good, Lamborghini badging is good, the red interiors are not something that I like, no livery, rear details are fine. What the hell have they done here at the top? Yeah, I might give this to someone. Okay, I didn't like this at all. Paint job issues are there, but not much. So this is something that we have seen on many Hot Wheels. Like, there's some weird tint issue, like blue tint on the whites and green tint on the yellows. Yeah, this is a pretty good car, but they have not detailed it well, and there is some scratch here. Okay, let's roll this one. So the name Sesto Elemento comes from it means, in English it means the sixth element. That is the reference to the periodic table sixth element, that is carbon, and that is because this refers to the extensive use of carbon fiber that has been used on this car, right? But actually this Hot Wheels is not looking like a carbon fiber car. It looks like, let me not say it, that word. So it's a high performance track only limited edition sports car produced by Lamborghini, styled by Filippo Perini and unveiled at the 2010 Paris Auto Show. It is powered by a 5.2 liter CEH V10 from the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera, mated to a 6-speed e-gear automated manual. The engine makes 562 horsepower. All right. What else do I know about this car? I don't know much about this car, but also seems like it's all right. This was there is this, what is going on with me? So there was this guy I found on Reddit. I'll put his name here. He had I'll also put the images here, you can check it out. So he had painted this car in black. It looked dope. Yeah, so shout out to, just a sec, I think his Insta handle, his name is Crab. Okay, I'll put it here. So shout out to him. So now today we have these two Lamborghinis, but one thing is sure, that this appoints me and this disappoints me. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Next up we have some more exotics planned. All right, and maybe if I get lucky, I'll get some AK cars as well. Okay, on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe for exotic cars and AK cars and some premium cars as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life and happy collecting.